Bafethu, as I had explained, Masqala, Sila Esodra, SO2, Total Lana, they're launching the AFCON. I'm here, Angazi Ngizeng team, legend, tick. Good footballer, tick. Analyst, tick. Brand ambassador, le pay overseas, Tabanga, not la, le, tick. Man, what are you not in football? Eh? What are you not in football?
I'm not the president yourself.
Mara, I think that's a hit. Bafethu, siyazi ukuthi ngelesi. Yabona masingaka social media sa toyitoya kahle. It could happen. Grootman Silana, because of the AFCON, when you played the AFCON 1996, you've won the AFCON, so you know what it's like to win the AFCON. And oddly enough, Bafana's going back to the AFCON, they said the group is almost similar to your group. Because you guys also played Egypt and then you went as far as winning it.
Indeed.
What do you think Amachita bazoyenza this time?
Yeah, the way Amachita people progress all this time, especially you can see good Helman has a hand lapha. Yeah, uyambona ukuthi Helman uyasebenza ke lapha uyanceda uYugo Pros ngoba uyambona uYugo Pros unosilungu ncane kancane, but I think that's most important. Yabona because I mean the progress isibonayo with the players esinabo.
Yeah.
It's not just short term, it's long term.
Yeah.
You know, and the way we've progressed to get to qualify for the AFCON, and we qualified again for a World Cup. It shows that it's quality right, imagine the glory bag, the glory days. You know, if we can have days like this where we celebrate, even if as a host,
Grootman, you look at this current team, ne? This is the second time Bayabu AFCON. The first time Batate bronze. Bayabuyela this time is favorites obviously to win the group. Maubegile Grootman. This group, ma you compare na le 96. Umehluko kuphi?
Umehluko ukuthi they fast. But to be honest, you can see the hunger, you can see the talent, almost similar. You know the way I'm a player about picking a corner. You can see different positions. But again, I think the most important thing was they're togetherness. You know, ngoba uYugo Bros ubafake bahlala bonke for isikashana. Akashintshi nje ushintsha 1 ashintshe 2 afake lo akhiphe lo, but still nalaba abakhiphi basasekhona. So that's the most common thing ekhona, and that's breeds is success. Yabo, I mean tabona ngabo from the goalkeeper.
Ronwen Williams, well, like globally recognized.
The good thing is that noma ungabiza labafana laba mfethu angimentionele isquad uzokutshela Ronwen njenga 96 nanamhlanje ungatsho waba mention bonke ngama reserve, and that it's a sign of a successful team. And I think this time yes sise Morocco izofika sinebo Morocco Egypt, but we believe we will a team that is now together.
Grootman, just before I let you go, let's just talk about the AFCON at large. We've seen a lot of stars being scouted from the AFCON and they went on to take over the world. What do you think is the importance of having a AFCON just for African football generally?
You know, I think you can see we talk about Europe, Champions League, we talk about Europa Cup. And then what's in Africa, where the talent is corner. You know, I mean, AFCON, it doesn't only help Amachita by overseas, but it helps the continent to know each other. You know, and I think that's one thing. We need to be together, and we can together say was the talent is raw talent. I mean, when it comes, I mean, we keep saying we want to play in the World Cup, we want to win the World Cup. Possibly as a nation, yes, we're doing well, but as a continent, we need one team as a representative. I mean, Morocco did the last time, which was nice, but push it. But imagine, Africa needs to be because Akumpula Lumfano Watini, lo what's England. Uchamikaraga wapeta kakhulu ngoba
makangeza la Africa ngakholeshisayo
anyeka zakho kwazi nanako anyeka zanafike la umeka wenzeni kahle because thina at least lapha sibuya khona until so far I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It's great. And bayabona amajita from Africa, when they go badlala kwi-Premier League, it's a different league. It's a different league, and it shows now Africa, because over how many billions abantu ababuka i-AFCON manje since the last time in Ivory Coast. It's the third most watched tournament in the world. And ihlulwa yini ukuba number 2 as Africa, and then she challenge laba ama Europeans, you know. I think Tina, we on that verge, and I think my players now manje Africa now is recognized.
I know. Khotman ngiyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. It's an honor ukuzungezwa i-presence. Kune light besides iskipa ngiyabona ukuthi kune glow nje ekhona.
Awuziyabuya mhlawumbe.
Yazi Khotman ku social media kuna labantu ababiza ngamazedi. Yabona labo baba laba abakhula kahle, aba smooth, abagrumile, abaneyintshebe ezigrey, yabona.
Ukusiphatha kahle, yabona. Ngathi labafana basifake upressure abosipiwe, yabona abakhulu. Yazi this generation yethu. Athi generation yokuthi una 60 sokukhira, hayi. I generation ekuka right, ukuka mawuthanda. It's kuyabonisa ukuthi at least we lay the foundation labafana ukuthi no basinakekele basiphathe grand, you know, longevity yethu ukuba not just ediskini but to be present kulabantu asibamele. It's important.
Khotman, ahead of the tournament ngicela ungibhekelele camera le. Words of wisdom to Grootman Helman Mkhelele. He's definitely the most decorated Bafana player and as a coach.
Indeed. Ngane Sporo. Uyazi ukuthi wakithi Sporo. I mean mfethu, I think we've seen ngokudlala kwakho your commitment and your love, your passion ebhola. Yokuqala la eMzansi wayitake, but lapha kwi national team uyubo brosume ngawe lapha. And then I think that it's an opportunity. Look at Sakala City man. Got the coach, she's a producer ni wethu ozobamba ibafana ibhola lethu. uNkulunkulu ukubekile mfethu esitulweni leyo for a reason. Asibone ke ukuyaphambili. Hayi sikhona sizokunceda if ufuna uncedo. Amajita akhona, wonke umuntu ukhona. You are well supported, my brother. So all the best. We AFCON, I know we capable of bringing it home, and the World Cup as well, the big stage, Baba. Nobody ungakubamba. Ubani uzobamba kuHelman? Ubani uzolandela ama footsteps walumfana? Ungane. He's a God-fearing person as well. Very good icon and an example to abantu abaningi.
Khotmanami, thank you so much. Helman, unfortunately, I can't say lentwana. Melengiti Helman uzwele from the legend himself to all of you guys that support Bafana. Ngithi namuzwa athi ile ya 96. Baze bangayithathi. Samlanda ku social media sithi uthe 96. When is it coming? Tanko.
Voila.